Hello guys, I'm Paris, the option guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets being again kind of holding themselves on the higher levels, right? As I said over here, that if you open flat and start crossing, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. But somehow, there was a tick at these higher levels because of which the chart kind of got a little bit disturbed. And because of that, if you see right in the second half, the markets tried to give a breakout, but if you see the breakout kind of not failed, yeah, you can say that the breakout kind of failed and market started moving down. But this is a good place for markets to wait at. If the markets are waiting over here, and tomorrow if we get an up move from here, we can expect a very good momentum in Bank Nifty tomorrow very easily till 44,000, because I don't think from here anybody would want to short the market. Anybody who would have also tried to short the market today, if we cross these levels, they will square off their positions, right? Anyways, so over here, as I say, above 43,620 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Your first target can easily be 43,800, this high over here, because markets will kind of take a little bit of resistance, and from there your second target will be 43,950 very easily, because I think the markets tomorrow should start moving up very easily from here, right? Even in the previous times this has happened. I cannot uh, yeah, if you see over here also, right? Markets kind of waited for a day, markets came down and then started moving up, right? So something like this could again happen over here also, where now markets tomorrow, if you open flat or a little bit gap up, somewhere just in the range of today's closing, which is so yeah, somewhere 40 from 43,600 to 43,400. If you open in this 400 point range, or maybe 43,350 also, this is the range where markets could take support and then start moving up, right? But the best place to open would be above 43,450, because then the markets will not, markets will not have to move a lot before breaking out, and then we can expect a very good move, right? So above 43,620 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your first target will be 43,007, this high 43,770, because markets could take a little bit of resistance over here, and then your second target will be 43,950. We could most probably see 43,950 tomorrow itself, right? On the downside, this is not a place where I would like to sell, because you see the closing price of yesterday, right? This is a zone where markets could take a little bit of support. So even if we sell over here, right, below 43,420, there is not a lot of space where the market could move, right? So we'll only sell below 43,200. This is the place where we'll go ahead and sell aggressively from here, easily till 43,000, right? So tomorrow if you open with a gap up somewhere near 43,200, then we can go ahead and take a selling trade over here till easily 43,000, and your second target will be 43,840 on the downside, the wick over here, right? But yeah, if we open with a gap down and do not sustain like above 43,000, then we can easily see a very good sell off coming in from here, right? Again, if you open with any sort of a gap up, say somewhere near 43,650, 43,700, then wait for some sort of a price action to be made. Wait for markets to make a high over here. Once the markets make a high over here and then cross that high again, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Not instantly after opening with a gap up, right? Because that could maybe hit your SL in the first maybe a few minutes, and then the markets would move up. Anyways, talking about Nifty also holding itself up on these higher levels. So in Nifty again, 18,330 becomes very important. So if we open say 18,320, 340, anywhere below 18,340, we guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Our first target will be 18,385, or the high that was made over here. Again, if the market sustain over here, then we'll see again an up move over here till 18,500 easily. But yeah, above 18,330 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target then becomes 18,385 to 390, right? On the downside, in Nifty also, there is not really a lot of range, right? Because even if we sell below 18,270, we have supports near 18,250 to 240, right? So if we cross 18,250 to 240, then we guys will go ahead and sell over here. Then we'll get a very good target on the downside of easily 18,000. First of all, 18,200 on the downside. That will be a very easy target. The second target that we'll get is very easily 18,130 to 120. Maybe not tomorrow itself that target might come, but yeah, easily we could see that target coming in on Monday or Tuesday. Most probably Monday itself, right? If we open with any sort of a gap up, same thing. Let the markets make a high or a swing high over here. Once that swing high is again crossed, then we guys can go ahead and take a trade. Something like this over here, right? Markets open with a gap up, came down, made a swing high over here, right? The second time that swing high got crossed, then you guys should go ahead and take a trade. Again, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 18,230, 240, then you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade also in Nifty very easily. We could get a very good momentum because there could be a lot of people who would square off their longs after opening with such a gap down, right? Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.